Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting by routing input so transposition affects only the part you want. First, open your concert and select the channel strip. If necessary, create or reveal a MIDI layer. Once done, set the layer's input to your controller or external source so MIDI flows correctly. Make sure monitor and record are off unless you need them. This initial routing prevents global changes and gives you control. It also keeps other patches unchanged while you adjust pitch settings for the next steps. Next, open the layer inspector and locate transpose or pitch parameters. These change notes by semitones. You can dial +3 for 3 semitones up or -2 for down. This is the simplest chromatic method. If you need key-aware mapping, enable the scale plugin or use MIDI FX transposer to constrain notes to a scale. Once set, play and listen. Make sure velocity and octave settings still feel right. If notes sound thin, adjust amp or instrument tuning to match the new pitch. To finish, lock in your changes by saving the patch as a new file so originals remain intact. Now check global MIDI routing. Make sure the transposer plugin sits before any arpeggiators or splits because order affects results. Once satisfied, test across octaves and play a backing track to confirm musical context. If you hear wrong pitches or missed notes, open MIDI monitor to inspect note numbers. Then verify input channel and plug in order. These are the most common fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.